right, guys. How's everybody doing? We're back for another stream. Um, Let me go over yesterday's trade. We were waiting for the bottom wick to be formed, and yeah, we got the bottom wick. We got the bottom wick. What was it that it did? Go back. Is this bottom wick here? This one here. So this is where we got it. I'm trying to see where was it that we had it set. Yeah, so this was the bottom wick that needed to be formed, and then this one came and tapped right down under it. Unbelievable. That took hours, man. That didn't set up till like 2 o'clock in the morning. But yeah. And look at that. We got the wick, then flipped up. Pulled back down with news. Came up. The levels are very interesting today. Let's take a look here real quick. All right, so we got this low here, right? Starting off on the 1 hour. And we have this level is a minor support. I'm not going to count that, but we got this level here, key level of that 2347, which is where we were ranging in between yesterday. We kept ranging here, and then we finally broke out. Look at this breakout here. Candle closed above. Next candle, what does it do? Bottom wick, boom, flip. Now we got the break, retest, and then it pumped up. But now we're flipping down, but look at what's happening here. Look at this 1 hour. Has no top wick. Let me take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, look at that. 4 hour has no top wick. What do you think is going to happen? The previous candle closed bullish. I might look to take a buy up to fill this range here, bro. Guys, if you're tuning in, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell notification as well so you can get notified when I go live. I'm interested in this right here. Let me look at the smaller time frame. I just want to see. No top wick here. 30-minute resistance. Do I have that on the 1 hour? Wow. This level, you know what? I mean, I'm gonna mark it with a. This is what I might do here. Let me. If we can come down and test this level, I'm taking that buy. Yeah, we can come down here and tap this level here around 2353.8. We can tap here, then we're gonna flip and take. We're gonna create this top wick here. This is what that would look like. Let's see what our range is. We're going to fill the top of the range here. So this will be our level to take profit. Very simple, right? Top of the range here on the 4 hour. So our TP will be about 2370-ish, you know, or we can go break even once we take out the highs. But let's see if it comes down. If it comes down, I'll take. Wow. Stop loss. I'm gonna have to go to the 1 hour and get the stop loss here. Let me see. Come down and test here. Bounce. How big is this? Yeah, that's not that big. I might have it at the. Might take it down here. All right, we'll put it down here below that 1 hour low, which is right below that support. So our stop loss would be, I would say 23.45. Right, more or less. I'll set that up later. All right, chat, be ready. You might have an entry here. I'm taking this off the 4 hour flip. Let's wait and see what happens. Let's see this. Man, it took me a while to set up tonight. I was trying to get on a little sooner, but my OBS was acting up, so I had to make some adjustments. And but let's see, we might get this pushed down. All right, let's set up. Let's see. 2353 point. Let's do a 0.75 entry there. Take profit 2369. And a stop loss 23 45. All right, guys, that's it. That's our setup there. Now, you know, if it pulled down and flips up, I'll look to probably take the buy at the break of the highs. You know, we can have a buy stop at around 23.50, 23.60. But I'll see. Let's see if this thing just rips up. You know, we'll take that. I'd rather get. Let me get this. This 4 hour has, excuse me, has had no top wick, and it's gonna close in 26 minutes. I'm not in the trade, guys. This doesn't mean I'm in the trade yet. I'm not in yet. This is just a projected. This I wanted to see if we can come down here. I'll take the buy off the rip. took it off screen for now. We'll bring it back. I know that 4 hour has no top wick, but it closes bearish. We would have created this resistance level, but we need a top wick here either way. So I think we'll still come up and make that top wick here. Let me see. Excuse me. Looking to the left here. Look at this area that we're in here. You know, once we broke out of this mess right here. We broke out of this resistance level, and we kind of rode halfway up the range. Now we're running into this level. You see these wicks over here? All these rejections here. If I mark that up here, you see how it kind of pans out near that area where we're at here. So you know, it'll be nice if we could take out that high. If we take out that high, as you can see, look, we drove up. Once we broke above that consolidation area here, the market tended to drive up. So here it will be nice, man. I want to get a bottom wick here. Just tap this level here and then get the flip. $23.55. Let's see. Yeah, it's coming down to that level, guys. Keep an eye on it. Either way, the candle closes in 20 minutes. I wanna see, you know, I mean, this is gonna break the low. If it takes out the low, then we might maybe wait for a retest. It can either come like this, bounce over here, and then pop off, or it could potentially break the low, come down here, and retest that level that it broke out of, and then pop up. It's possible. This is a nice bottom wick, though. Yeah, 1 hour is curving down. This 1 hour has no top wick. This one's flipping bearish. Yeah, we might get. Man, I want to see if it's gonna. I mean, the lower the entry, the better. Is this far we're gonna close with no bottom wick too? while we waiting here, let me take a look at Nasdaq. Diablo, pero mira lo que hizo el NAS. Uf. Yo, this thing broke, retested, ripped up, formed resistance up here. NAS is on a 10. What are the next levels here? Let me see. Yo, bro. Wow, this thing came to retest last month's high. Oh, man, look at this. Yeah, so we're rejecting from that level. Look at that rejection last time. We got like this downtrend. That was that resistance trend line that pushed Nasdaq down. But here now we came back to test that high. Yo, gang, if we break that, that's the all-time high. Yeah, man. So that high there, that's the all-time high. Holy moly! Look at this. What is this thing freaking? Let me show you right here. Look. Oh no, it's on the 4-hour. Yeah, I think it's possible that we're gonna come back and retest that. Let me see if I can mark something up here. Well, first level is this one because that's where we're at. So I want to make sure that see if it's gonna push it back down. We have CPI tomorrow too. Let me use this box instead. Probably click. Yeah. I leave that little purple level right up here as a target. Right at the top there. All right, that's gonna be our target if we break out, guys. What's that? 18,500. That's about 270 pips. Yeah, is rejecting that level there though. Let's see if this candle's gonna pull down and then flip and take out the highs. If it takes out the highs, we'll buy. Well, that's on Nasdaq. Let's come back to gold and focus here. I'll keep an eye on Nas. See what happens. Yeah, you see how I came down here? I'm waiting to see if something happens here. We can come down and tap this level here. I'll be looking for a buy to flip up and make the top wick, but the candle's about to close. See what happens here is that if this candle closes bearish, it's possible that the next candle might the next candle might do something like this. Then the next candle might come up and make the top wick first and then continue to drive down. So that's possible if this candle closes bearish. Now let's wait and see. setting here. I want it to be, all right, that should be good. All right, chat, just give me a sec. I'll be right back, guys. All right. Yeah, we haven't come down enough yet. I don't know if this thing is gonna flip. 2 minutes, the candle closing. All right, so we got the new 1 hour. This one closed doji. Ooh, we're probably on the 30 minute. Yeah. All right, let's see. All right, so the 4 hour came down, made a bottom wick first. Let's see if it's gonna flip up. If it comes down to this level, yeah, it's gonna break the 50-minute lows too. Yeah, this little 15-minute support is holding here. I'm gonna throw it back up. These are the highs right here for 4 hour. Yeah, you see, it came in and tapped the level there on that. That's the 15-minute support. It's, yeah, it's probably gonna come off, make that top wick. But it closed bearish, so I'll wait for the top wick and maybe the flip back. But let's see. go. There it goes. Okay, it's taking out the lows. Let's see if, oh man, he's getting rejected there. I want this entry down here, but it might be nice to catch it. If this resistance holding here, we can catch the flip back up. I'm gonna wait and see if it doesn't take out the low. If it breaks his own high, I'll get in. I'm gonna have a buy stop at the break of that high, but if it comes down, we'll take the buy down from 23.53. I'm gonna get you guys in on that now, guys. All right. Send that to you. If we drop down further, then I'll take the buy from down here. But if we flip and take out the 4-hour high here, then we'll be activated and we'll write it up. At least to make the top wick, I'll go break even at that point, and then see if it could come up and fill the wick up here at least. That'll be about 35 pips or so. I'm not activated yet, guys. Oh, about to get activated here, guys. All right, I'm activated. All right, guys, we're in this trade now. Took out the 4-hour highs. You should expect a drive on this right here, right now. At least to come up, make this top wick. See what happens. You should come up to fill at least a wick up here. You should get a nice push up, make a top wick for this candle, take it up to this level here. Oh, Dan's in the house. What's up, Danny? Danny Mambo. Look at this one out of there. How's this below that support level? I think just do it like this. I'm gonna have the stops below here. Let me edit this real quick. As I'm moving stops, lowering the risk from 23.43, I want to put it at 23.51.50. We have two support levels that can still hold us. Now I put the stop loss below the 1 hour lows down here. Give it some wiggle room, but still expecting this to flip up, make a top wick, especially for the 4 hour. So pushed up and activated us, and then it's kind of like trickling down here. But let's see what happens at these levels here. If it comes down to this level here, I might consider a pineapple. Depending how the candle's been printing. The current price, we're only down 5 pips, 4 pips now. Let's just be patient. Let's wait. Look at the 15 minute. Look at all these wicks. There's a lot of rejection in this area here. To further confirm, if we do kind of break above these wicks and break above that price there, we should come up, make these top wicks here. The top wick for this 1 hour will put us yeah, it'll put us about 20 pips in profit at that point. Bothering. What in the world? All right, gold edges lower in the early morning Asia session. Impossible position adjustment ahead of US CPI data due out later. However, upside risks appear to have returned to the gold market. Only plenty of dry powder and keeping a keen eye on the CPI data. Honestly, again, I can't predict price, but I think that, you know, the inflation report tomorrow is gonna come in higher. All right, let's see. Danny, you're talking about well, the bottom resistance. What I'm on the 1 hour. Is that what you're talking about here, or you talking about this first level? This first level, that's the 15 minute support right here. That's where I got that one. And this one down here is the this 1 hour level here. Sorry, the 4 hour. This up right there. That 15-minute support is 23.55.30.30. And we got this level down at 23.53.99. And our stop loss is below this 1 hour wick down here. That's if it comes down and break these two levels. This 15-minute support, this 1 hour support, And if it breaks it down there, then we'll manage risk and get out, and then we'll reassess. But again, we got these top wicks. These two 1 hour candles have no top wick. Previous 4 hour has no top wick, so I'm anticipating the top wick to be made here, and then probably fill this wick up here. Danny, you're asking if the CPI data, well, the way it affects gold. If CPI comes in higher than expected, then it should drive gold up. That's a bullish report. If it comes in higher, if it comes in lower than expected, then gold should probably push down. Yeah, 15 minutes struggling over here. Like gold just won't fly up. Won't push up. There we go. Ah, boy. All right, guys, we're back in the blue. Want to drive up. Take out the 1 hour highs and push up. Come on. There we go. Look, give me a nice push. Hold on one second. I'll grab some. All right, guys, look, we made the top wick. I'm going break even here, guys. All right, break even. Trade is up. There we go. Yeah, nicer tonight, guys. Look at this, making that top wick. Make sure you go break even, guys. I'm break even. Ooh. All right, we're up 25 pips. This is Asia session too, guys. So let's see if it comes up here. All right, I closed partials there at 23 pips. Grab 23 there. Now I got my runner. Just update that in our signals platform. Our move here, the plan here is not necessarily to ride it up. It's like we were anticipating a top wick, maybe fill this wick here. So we got in here, got the push up. We take our profits, go break even if you're holding a runner. You took partials, you can do that now. I already went break even and I took my partials. So I got a runner. I closed about 80% of my position. So I have a small runner going. Let's see where it goes. All right, that's it, chat. That's what we do here. We came in, we anticipated the top wick. Once this thing pulled down, I was looking for an entry down here, but when I went to the 15-minute time frame, we had all this rejection here and this support holding strong here. We got that push from here, and then you see it came down, failed to break, and then we got all these wicks here, which is a little crazy. But that's why it was a bigger move. Once we broke out above, look, this candle broke the previous 15-minute highs, closed above. This one pulled down, and then flipped up. So we made our bag. Made the top wick for this 1 hour. So these two 1 hours got their top wicks already. So let's see if it breaks the high up here. This is probably it's really gonna go. But if we come back down, we're good. Guys, for your break-even stops, this was a buy stop entry, so our entry was 2356.50. Um, in a case like that, you gotta account for spread. There's also commission fees, so you gotta account for all that. So I would say move your stop loss, maybe 3 to 5 pips in profit at the least. So I don't know, maybe if you're in at 2356.50, I would say 2357. Something's up with this OBS, bro. I don't know what's going on. All right, still pumping up here. Let's see where. All right, trying to push up. Pick out these highs. We're being busy. Trying to figure out why this thing isn't playing. Right. Gotta make some adjustments to my OBS. Something's up. All right, go. No, I'm gonna mark this level up just like it's easier to see it. Yeah, we break above that. Whoa, what's going on with this OBS, bro? This is nuts. This thing keeps acting up. I have to fix it. Yeah, we got to get this push up. We break that high. Yeah. Clean traffic, at least to this level here. Yeah, that's that 2364 level. see how it's stalling here though? It's kind of arching back down, but then we got to push up. Made the top wicks here, but it might flip back down. Let's see. Either way, guys, we made our profit. I grabbed 23 pips, but this thing ran up about 36 pips. That was the max there. That was a pretty nice push up, but let's see. This 1 hour candle has about, what, 14 and a half minutes left. If it can push up, if we can close above here, then I would expect this to come up and go this wick and continue up perhaps. He is rejecting it, wicked up, and now it's coming back down. Let's see if we're gonna hold this level here. Or is it gonna take us out? Man, we're still in this trade, guys. Hasn't hit our break even yet. About to though. Hey, it's running up here. Now I don't know what happened to my to the audio on the stream. Can't fix it. No, we're still holding on this here. Let's see what happens. This one I was gonna close in 4 minutes. Would have wanted it to close above this level here, but yeah, we got rejected just now. So more likely we're gonna probably see a move down. Hey, we're pumping up. 3 minutes. We might close above. Yeah, we close above this level here. It's gonna be good. Hmm. 2 minutes, chat. Let's see if we're gonna get this closure below here, or above, should I say? Oh yeah, it's pushing up. Come on, gold. I wouldn't mind a runner here. If we get this, we get a runner here, it'd be nice. Oh, nice. Wants to go up. He's getting rejected. Yeah, we got a closure above here. We're probably gonna come up and fill this range here, at least this week. So we'll worry about that level later. All right, we didn't close above. We flirted with that level, but not. He made a small top bottom wick. You might want to. Trying to see if we get a push. Get that push above that level there. We're not going to drive up, but I wanted the 1 hour closure up there. That would have been nice. It's rejecting this level here. This thing might drive back down. See this right here. He's expecting a decline, but you know, inflation is getting worse. I mean, tomorrow we'll find out if it ticked down. If CPI comes in lower than expected, gold can drop pretty hard. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Woo! There we go. Come on, gold. See, this one closed doji, but it closed bears. You got a closure above here. And drive up. I'm gonna wait to see how this candle closes. If this candle doesn't close above, I'm gonna call it a stream there. I'll hold the runner. Our stops are at break even for those who are still holding this trade with me. Um, Again, a good time to take your partials. So make sure you secure some profit, and I'll look to I'm gonna look to end the stream if this 15-minute doesn't close above. Let's see. 8 more minutes, chat. Let's see. All right. 15 is definitely, look at these wicks. Pushed up. This one wicked above. This one wicked above. So this level's holding pretty nicely here. We already made a top wick for these candles here, so just want a closure above here. We got a closure above here, then I'll stay on and see what the next 15 minute will do. But if this one fails, we'll call it a stream. Yeah, this thing looking to come down, man. All right, 45 seconds, guys. Let's see. Doesn't look like it's gonna close above. This thing is bearish. I think we're gonna come down. Oof, it's spiking now. Now, I think it's a wrap. I think we're gonna get hit break even, and this thing is gonna drive down. But either way, we caught a nice little push to the upside here. Little double top here. Look at this. That high, a low. Now we came up, made that high. This could be a potential double top on the 15 minute. If it breaks below this yellow line here on the way down later on, guys, if you guys are going to be up, you guys might be able to trade that. Okay, we're about to get stopped out at break even here. Yeah. Yeah, top wick here. Oh, there it is. I made a top wick. Now I could probably flip. Yeah, this thing might flip. Hasn't taken me out yet. Let me see if it's gonna take me out. Let me see. Am I in this trade still? Yeah, I'm still in the trade. Yeah, gold is stalling now, but I think it probably pushed down and it might break even here. Nice drive up would be great. Let's see. Still hanging on there. I'm still in this trade. NAS100 break. Oh, see, it's breaking above that level, but guess what? No bottom wick. Yeah. Well, there's 2 hours and 40 minutes left on the scan. This thing could push up, come back down, make a bottom wick, then flip back up. If you get a closure above that level there, I'm gonna adjust this. Okay. It's like looking good for the buys up, but again, this is all happening so now, and we got CPI data tomorrow, so I'm not gonna touch this. No bottom wick anyway. Yo, this thing is ripping back up. What? Go, you kill me sometime. Yo, this thing is running up. Yeah, I rejected this level. All right, guys. Either way, I'm break even. Um, I think I'm gonna call it a stream here. Uh, just so you know, again, that resistance level had these marked up. Overnight this thing can push up. You know, I'll probably try to monitor my own trade overnight. But again, if you're in this trade, make sure you're break even. And if you haven't taken any profits, just make sure you take your partials or close out and call it a night, guys. All right, thanks a lot for joining. I'm gonna see. I might go live tomorrow, depending. I might have a couple of things I need to do, but guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. And again, CPI data tomorrow. So for all my platform ChecoForex platform members, I'll be sending our trade signals there for you guys to trade. And any updates, I'll get with you guys tomorrow morning. Everybody have a good night, and that's it. See y'all tomorrow.